when I'm driving down the road, one of the things that I don't have is I don't have a little shelf or a little table or something to put snacks or a sandwich or something that I can easily reach while I'm driving. So I found the fix. So what I did is I built a table. I got a bamboo box online for like $6 or something like that, and I got a aluminum square tubing and some angle irons, and I attached it to the table. Made it quite sturdy, and it's just big enough to have some food. And I didn't want to mount it on the floor because it would be in the way. So I got these brackets online and some bolts, and I bolted it in and created a place for the table. So now all I do is I take the table and I slip it in, and it slips in the bottom there. It goes tight. Once we arrive at my destination, I just reach under, I pull it out, close the drawer, and store this away. It's stored very easily. It's very small, goes into a cabinet behind my chair, and there you have it. So there it sits. So I can put my food or anything I want right in it. Nice and stable. The drawer keeps it, and down the road, and very easily I can reach for my potato chips or my sandwich or whatever. So hope this was helpful. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll be notified every time we put up a new video. Thanks for watching.